Hey y'all, it's so good to have you here with me today. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home, where memories are made and meals are shared. Cabinets play a huge role, not just in looks, but in functionality. Navigating the world of kitchen cabinets on a budget can feel like a minefield. In today's video, we're diving deep into inexpensive kitchen cabinets. We'll expose myths, reveal traps, and arm you with knowledge to spot scams before they cost you thousands. Whether you're planning a remodel or building from scratch, this guide will help you make smart, budget-friendly decisions. We'll talk about what makes a cabinet durable, how to spot deceptive marketing, and where to find genuine value. By the end, you'll feel empowered to make the best choices for your kitchen project. Let's begin. Pricing for kitchen cabinets can be confusing. You might see an ad for a full kitchen of cabinets at a low price, then visit a showroom and see prices 10 times higher. This inconsistency is real and depends on materials, construction methods, customization, and where you buy them. Kitchen cabinets fall into three categories: stock, semi-custom, and custom. Stock cabinets are budget-friendly but offer fewer choices. Semi-custom cabinets offer more styles and modifications at a higher price. Custom cabinets are built to your specifications, offering the highest quality and price. Let's talk about how to keep your money safe by spotting common scam tactics. The solid wood lie is a big one. Some sellers use this term loosely, meaning only the face frames are solid wood, while the box is particle board or MDF. Another red flag is pricing that seems too cheap to be true. Often these prices hide substandard materials or have hidden fees. Fake online reviews are another tricky area. Look for overly generic or excessively enthusiastic reviews without specific details. Ask specific questions about materials and get details in writing. Compare prices for the same layout and specifications from different suppliers. Trust your gut. If something feels off, walk away. A reputable company will be transparent and patient. Durable cabinets are all about their construction and materials. The most common materials for cabinet boxes are plywood, MDF, and particle board. High-quality plywood is the gold standard for strength and moisture resistance. MDF is stable and great for painting but can be susceptible to water damage. Particle board is the least durable and least moisture resistant. The back panel of the cabinet contributes to overall strength. Better quality cabinets have substantial back panels made of solid plywood or thick MDF. Drawer construction and hardware are key indicators of quality. Look for solid wood sides and dovetail joints. Smooth gliding full extension drawer slides are essential. Simple DIY tests can reveal a lot about cabinet quality. Finding budget-friendly cabinets without sacrificing quality is possible. Reputable big box stores offer various cabinet lines at different price points. RTA, ready-to-assemble cabinets, can save on labor costs. Look for companies with a long track record and positive reviews. Local cabinet makers can provide excellent value and personalized service. Get a detailed layout plan and comprehensive quote. Ensure the quote includes everything: cabinets, hardware, delivery, and taxes. Understand the warranty and return policy. A legitimate company will have clear, fair policies. Taking these precautions will help you feel confident in your purchase. Real-life experiences can be so helpful. Sarah and Ben researched RTA cabinets, assembled them themselves, and achieved a beautiful kitchen on a budget. Mark was lured by a low price and ended up with damaged, low-quality cabinets. The Jacksons were scammed by a company that vanished after delivering poor-quality cabinets. These stories highlight the importance of diligent research and careful planning. Sarah and Ben's success shows that careful planning pays off. Mark's experience highlights the risks of chasing the lowest price. The Jacksons' story underscores the importance of vetting companies thoroughly. These lessons can help you avoid similar pitfalls. A little extra effort in the research phase can make all the difference. Here's a practical checklist to help you shop for kitchen cabinets. Verify seller legitimacy, physical address, working phone number, business registration. Get detailed material specifications in writing. Clarify solid wood claims, which parts are solid wood and what type of wood. Inspect a sample. Check construction, finish, and overall feel. Demand a comprehensive, itemized quote. Compare quotes from at least 3 reputable sources. Scrutinize reviews carefully. Look for detailed, balanced reviews on multiple platforms. Understand the warranty and return policy. Use payment protection. Pay with a credit card for better fraud protection. Creating a beautiful kitchen doesn't always mean spending top dollar. Consider mixing and matching cabinet styles or finishes. Painting or refacing existing cabinets can transform your space for less. Opt for simpler door styles and incorporate open shelving. Invest in good quality, stylish hardware to elevate the look. DIY assembly and installation can save on labor costs. Be realistic about your skill level and time commitment. A poorly installed cabinet can lead to problems down the road. Hiring a professional for installation can ensure everything functions perfectly. Find the balance that works for your skills, budget, and vision. We've covered a lot today, from understanding the cabinet market to spotting scams. Kitchen renovations are stressful enough without getting duped. Now you're equipped with the truth and tools to buy smart. The goal isn't just saving money, it's spending wisely. Create a kitchen that's affordable, durable, stylish, and built to last. An informed homeowner is an empowered homeowner. This guide gives you the confidence to move forward with your project. Create a home that reflects you, works for your life, and brings you joy. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more content. Comment below with your biggest kitchen cabinet question or horror story. Happy renovating!